I'm in line for Frozen Ever After. Now, if you can hear the music in the background, or you just saw the picture I started with, or what's over my shoulder, the line starts in China Pavilion. They say it's 25 to 30 minutes. Well, it didn't take that long. So they said 25, 30 minutes. It's pretty close. I mean, we move pretty fast. Next up, Frozen Ever After. Here we go. Frozen Ever After. Can't wait. So here's the queue. Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout. Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout.
Hello. I like warm hugs too. Yeah.
I like warm hugs. Watch your step.
Here we go.
Oh.
Mommy sat in a puddle. All right, I sat in it too.
Sorry about that.
Want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. Elsa's made a magic winter show. It's summer snow for Sandy and you. We're going up to Elsa's ice palace with you and you and you, all of you. See you there.
Tell us the story again, please.
On a day very much like today, on our same the unselfish act of true love, I'm full of frozen heart.
Oh, and you're the best friend. For my sister's magic night.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready. For the first time in forever, we get to share this frozen fun. For the first time in forever, Elsa's been
Cold never bothered me anyway. wish you could see how much fog there was right here. Soaking wet. Soaking wet.
When I finally do what frozen things do.
In summer.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was phenomenal. We're soaking wet because the front of the boat, apparently, you get drenched. Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout. Bye-bye. Hey, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.